how to transfer Shopify Store to another Shopify store or account. Now this is extremely useful, especially if you already set up your whole Shopify store right here. Let's just say that you already have your teams, you have your own domain, you have set up your shipping and your payment provider. You also have set up your products, which is relatively long time to do. You already have customers on this store and you basically want to transfer it to another account. To do that, you simply want to log in into your Shopify store, and from here you basically want to go ahead and make sure that you saved everything first before doing this, in order to make sure that we have a backup to this website. To do that, you can just go ahead and navigate through your teams by clicking on the online store right here. And right after, we can now go ahead and see this page load out. From here, we then have our theme. So you can just go ahead and click on this button. And from here, you want to click on download theme file. From here, it will then go ahead and send the file into our email address. So you want to click on send email. From there, you can just go ahead and download the file in order to make sure that we have a backup of our store right here. Right after that, to go ahead and transfer this specific store to another account, you can just go ahead and click on your settings right here. And once inside your settings, you want to click on users and permission. From here, we then have our whole information about this account, but in here under store owner, you can just go ahead and click on transfer ownership. The new store owner will be able to remove you from the store or change the permission, view or edit credit card and banking information, pause or close the store. Below that, we then have the new store owner. You then have to enter their email address, the first name, last name, and enter your own password to confirm the transfer. Basically, from here, you have to go ahead and open up your other account. In my case, I have it right here opened already. So you can now go ahead and fill out the necessary information in order to make this happen. And right after that, this message will now show transfer in progress. And below that, we have our new Shopify account. So in order to accept this invite, all you have to do is to open up the email for this specific email address right here. And from there, you can then go ahead and see the invitation for the transfer of the Shopify account. It will basically go ahead and send you an email like this: become the new store owner of my store. It's from Shopify. He has invited you to become the store owner of the store. To accept this invitation, you have to log in with your Shopify ID or create a new one. If you are not accepting this invitation, you can just go ahead and click on decline. But for us, we then have to click on get started. Now take note that this link will expire in 7 days. So you can just go ahead and click on get started. From here, it will then take you to this page where you have to log into the necessary account in order to transfer the store right here. And right after logging in your account, you can now go ahead and see this message: accept store ownership. As the store owner, you will be able to add or remove staff and change their permissions, view or edit credit cards and banking information, pause or close the store. So you want to go ahead and click on accept invite. From there, you just have to wait for the page to load in, and it will basically transfer the store ownership into our new account right here with this message: you're the new store owner of my store. And so if we head back to our old account, it should not go ahead and refresh the page anymore. So from here, if we then go ahead and check our payments, it will then go ahead and be saved into our new account. If you go ahead and click on the users and permission, we will then have the new access for this store. You also have your customers account, your shipping and delivery, and basically everything will be saved from the previous owner. And so if we head back into our Shopify account, you can then go ahead and see that it will basically save all of our products, your collections, your inventory, purchase orders, your own customers, content, analytics, and more. And so if we head back into our old account right here, as you can go ahead and see, there are no active accounts anymore, which means that the transfer of the Shopify store has been successful. And so heading back to our own Shopify store right here, we can then go ahead and continue the designs for this store, continue to improve our store, and basically continue selling our products. Now, if you're having problems with some of the applications or themes right here, you can just go ahead and click on apps, and from here you have to make sure that you have all of the installed apps available to your store. And also, if you're having troubles with your themes right here, as you can go ahead and see, there are no theme settings for our specific store. You can just head back to the homepage right here, and inside you want to click on the browse pre-made themes. From here, it will then go ahead and create this page, and inside we can now go ahead and get the file from our Google account, and inside you want to click on import theme. From here, click on upload zip file, and it will now go ahead and upload the theme from our previous account or previous Shopify store. And for the domain, if you're planning to use the same domain on your Shopify store, you're good to do so. But if you're planning to change that domain, you can just head over to your settings, and from here you want to click on the domains option. Inside the domain, you can now go ahead and modify your domains the way you want to. And just a reminder, the same payments will be saved from the previous ownership right here. So if you're planning to transfer your Shopify store into another person, make sure to go ahead and change the payment options or the payment method for this store in order to go ahead and keep you both safe. With this tutorial, I hope you will be able to transfer your Shopify store into another store or account. And so, if this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.